Gadgets are one of the most important parts in today's life. That's why new gadgets are invented every day. In today's video, I will inform you such 5 cool gadgets which will blow your mind. So let's start. Before starting the video, if you are interested in new invented gadgets, subscribe Gadget Store channel. I upload video on new gadgets every day. Number 1. Olive Smart Ear. In today's life, hearing loss issue is normal for senior citizens. The Olive Smart Ear is an affordable hearing amplifier that helps the user better hear the sounds such as conversations with friends and televisions in the living room. The gadget can be used for users with mild to moderate hearing loss up to 50 decibel of amplification. It has an advanced algorithm technology which enables clear listening with optimized audio frequencies and cancel background noise. It is very easy to use. Just pair with your Bluetooth enabled smartphone and customize sound settings via free downloadable app. It can easily give a backup of 7 hours on a single charge and recharges in a storage media with capacity for 2 additional charges, 21 hours total. Number 2. Y-Brush. If you are lazy little more for brushing in the morning, so this gadget is for you. Y-Brush is the smarter auto-cleaning electric toothbrush, simultaneously in-depth cleaning of all your teeth in only 10 seconds only. Your teeth will be cleaned with sonic vibrating technology. It is very easy to use. Add any toothpaste to Y-Brush, place it in your mouth, turn it and chew for 5 seconds, flip, repeat and rinse. That's it. It has 2 brush sizes. The whole family can use the Y-Brush, while child size for children from 4 to 12 years old and one adult size for those 12 years old and older. Now we think ScanWatch. ScanWatch is the first hybrid smartwatch to continuously scan vital parameters to detect health conditions and help improve overall fitness. It is the world's first smart wearable to boast medical grade electrocardiogram and sleep apnea. It also comes with a multi-wavelength PPG heart sensor and SpO2 sensor to monitor heartbeat and breathing problems. ScanWatch will automatically check your heart rate throughout the day at the best moment. ScanWatch helps you know where you stand on your daily step goal. Take a swim, commute by bike or go for a fun. ScanWatch will automatically recognize your activity and log it in the HealthMate app. It has also a battery life of 30 days. So if you are conscious about your health, must try this product. Number 3. Signal. With this gadget, you can attend calls through your fingertip. Simply place your fingertip to your ear while speak through the embedded microphone. Replace your existing watch strap with Signal and you are done. Whether you wear a classic watch or a digital watch. Now you must think that it is harmful for our health, but you are wrong. Signal receives voice signal from your phone through Bluetooth. When a voice signal is received, signal generates vibration through its body conduction unit, which transmits the vibration through your hand to your fingertip. As transmission is made through vibrations, there is no risk of harm to the human body. And signal not only transmit the voice but also remove the background noise, so you can easily hear in noisy places. And another feature is by signal, only you can hear the voice. Voice will not be overheaded. Number 5. Segway Drift W1. Generally for faster traveling, bikes, cars are mostly used. But in some cases, skating is also used in emergency situations, and this gadget is much useful than skateboard. The main feature of this is easy to carry because of its lightweight. It is very easy to use, also utilizing Segway's next generation self-balancing technology. Just step on and get going effortlessly in minutes. The Segway Drift W1 can speed up to 12 km per hour with a maximum weight of 280 pounds and is 3 times faster than walking. The e-skates can provide you a 45 minutes ride after charging it about 2 to 3 hours. With a full charge, it can ride you about 6.2 miles range. It has also IP54 protection which allows you to ride in the all weather conditions. So if travel is a shortest distance, don't wait and pay for taxi. Take the gadget now from the given link.